Hi and welcome to another video by me. This one is the comparison that I've been threatening / promising and possibly will never publish because I've tried before and failed miserably. Either a laptop hasn't recorded the audio from the mic, or the iPhone hasn't recorded the visual, or just ran out of memory halfway through. Anyway, try clearing things up and we'll try again. So at the minute I'm recording, try and keep this short and sweet-ish, as short and sweet as any of my ramblings are. At the minute I'm recording through the iPhone 6, both visually and audibly, whichever. Audio and visual are being recorded by the iPhone. I shall now, as if by magic, flick to the Newer NW800. So yeah, this is me speaking into the Newer NW800. I've also got another one of these Newers, as I said in one of my previous videos, that was gifted to me by my girlfriend in front of the amp, so I can also do comparisons of the amp sound with the Newer. And then I've also worked out that the amp, where I sit, I get the full sound. It's an open back cab, so I get the bass bouncing off from the outward and back, bouncing off the wall and hitting me. Whereas when I record just at the front of the amp, it loses some of that body because the mic's obviously primarily picking up the sound from the speaker. So yeah, what I shall do is stick this amp mic into the void, or around the void of the back of the amp cabinet, the Zilla 2x12. So yeah, but as for now, speaking into the Newer, generally speaking, it should be more focused because it's omnidirectional, which means it picks up sound from sort of here. So if I was to click my fingers around it, it should, in theory, be less clear around here. Of course, you're still going to get something because, you know, the sound's rebounding all over the walls, etc., and into the microphone. Hence why studios and stuff have like a sponge around the hard surfaces, or acoustic boards around the hard surfaces to stop these unwanted bounces, so you just get a focused sound. So yeah, speaking into the Newer, I shall now do a couple of quick guitar tones. If I knew where on earth I'd put my plectrum. Couple of guitar tones, nothing special. Gonna have to whack the. You'll hear the buzz coming back in. So I'll flick to the iPhone again. So this is now the iPhone again. You should hear a lot more of the kind of acousticness of the room. And yeah, guitar tones again. Like I say, going to be nothing special. Doesn't need to be. So. Right, so this is Stratocaster bridge pickup through the JHS modded soul food into the iPhone 6 microphone. So yeah, that's the iPhone. I shall now put the microphone, I shall turn this microphone off completely. So we are now getting just, well, I say just that, we will when I start playing guitar, get just that. At the minute you're still picking up my audio from my voice, my voice into the iPhone. As you can tell, I'm not a pro at this. Yeah, so now, as I play guitar, I shall put it onto the Newer NW800, which is about 200mm-ish, about 8 inches away from the speaker, just slightly off centre, off one of the speakers. So yeah, here's the Newer NW800 in front of the amp. So yeah, that's it generally speaking. That is the sound comparisons. Again, at the minute I'm going to be speaking into the iPhone because this is off completely. What I shall now do, as if by magic, is stick this behind the amp and give a couple of comparisons of that. Again, because the iPhone 6, generally speaking, has served its purpose throughout some of my previous videos. I've never had really any issues with it as such. So, yeah, see what you think. Hang on. Hi, right, and welcome back. The microphone is now plonked behind the cabinet-ish. I shall maybe put a picture of that at the end of the video. And I've mic'd like this and sort of toyed around with a couple of tracks using Cubase, which is what I'm recording the audio on. And then I'll go through one of the Hit Film Express I shall go through to try and create the actual thing, the actual video. So yeah, speaking into the iPhone as it is at the minute, so that's the guitar sound with the JHS modders. Soul Food. Now I'll go to the mic in front of the amp. I'll leave the iPhone on at the same time so you can hear. No, you have to excuse me because I'll drop the iPhone out of this altogether. And I shall bring in the speaker at the back of the amp, the microphone at the back of the amp. Hear the bass coming in. Also panned the two microphones, so the front of the amp should be slightly to the left and the one at the rear should be to the right. Rear right, front left. So yeah, that's pretty much it to an extent. Again, really, I'll just chuck these on so I can hear what I'm doing, so I don't overload everything. But you can really hear the difference of the bass when I'll smack the bass down completely, and I shall go to amp distortion. At the same time, if I'm to wind the front of the amp down completely, so adjust the back. is it. Mute the pedal board, remove said headphones without strangling myself. But yeah, that's it. That's the comparison. So, cheers for watching. I hope this works, because it's taken a while to set up and actually do without the video just stopping itself. Yeah, cheers for watching, and I shall post something else soon. I threaten / promise. Cheers, bye.